Welcome to PAR Tuesday News Review for January 3rd, 2023. PAR TNR is your news about issues that are important to IDA providers and our community.
Thanks for tuning in as we enter a new year. January is National Braille Literacy Month. Its purpose is to increase awareness of the use of Braille by those who are blind or visually impaired. As you would likely guess, the use of Braille has declined with the increased availability and use of communication aids, such as voice recognition and audiobooks.
Even so, Braille continues to provide an important communication channel for many. For example, to communicate on a job, please consider taking time for this month to learn more about the history of using Braille.
Several associations that are concerned about the impact of CPS enhanced rates going away are meeting with the administration this week. PAR continues to work with Josh Shapiro, Pennsylvania's governor-elect, as he develops his IDA policy and budget platform. PAR remains active in several efforts at system reform through rate stabilization and alternative payment models. PAR is collaborating with other associations to align our budget asks. The PAR APM Taskforce is working on recommendations for the PAR board on potential APMs and our principles upon which APMs may be based. PAR is working with a group of parents and professionals on system reform for people with IDA and other significant needs. PAR has been helping self-advocates to work federal legislation to eliminate the upper age limit for eligibility for Medicaid buy-in by passing the Senior Care Act. Congress passed and President Biden signed the Consolidated Appropriations Act 2023. The bill funds the federal government through September 30th, 2023. The bill contains several provisions of interest, a timeline for winding down the federal funding associated with COVID-19 public health emergency through December 31st of this year, a 4-year extension of Money Follows a Person program, 5 years of Medicaid funding for Puerto Rico, and permanent Medicaid funding for the other U.S. territories, and shifting the advocacy to the administration for the elimination of electroshock therapy for people with IDD. Thanks again to Anchor and Community Options for their analysis of the bill.
Please go to www.par.net/action-center to contact your state and federal House and Senate members to support PAR's
advocacy
efforts.
Remember to follow PAR on Facebook and Twitter to check out, like, and share your posts. Be sure to tag Governor-elect Shapiro and your federal and state legislators to help spread our message.
Thanks for watching PAR TNR. Stay safe, everyone, and be sure to tune in next week.